Hello everyone, welcome today on Friday. Yes, it's Friday, last working day of the week. Friday, January the 27th, 2023. We have here two regular puzzles, and those puzzles are the Sudoku Light and the Sudoku Heavy. We have also in this newspaper an additional with extra puzzles. Let me show you. Extra puzzles, standard 7 extra puzzles, and those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. We have 2 tectonics, 2 sugurus. In Japanese they call it sugurus, in Dutch they call it saiva block. 1 with 4 stars and 1 with 1 star. And the last one is a binary puzzle. And these puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. Half of them I will solve. Why? Well, otherwise it's too much for me, time consuming. And I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. Yeah. Otherwise it will be a day job for me. Well, if the publisher offer me a job for solving the puzzles, well, I will take it with both hands. Anyway, let me start with the first puzzle, the Sudoku Light. By the way, news of today, wow. I heard there's an asteroid, yes, passing the Earth, yeah, approaches the Earth. So, it's already gone now. It's not hit the Earth. No, but it was very close here. Yeah, very close. So yeah, I think if it will hit the Earth, well, will not be this year, but maybe over 1,000 years or 2,000 years, maybe 3,000 years. I don't know. We'll see. But let me start with the first one. The first Sudoku will be number, I believe, 5860. Yeah, 5860. And this one is a Sudoku Light. I always, before I start, I always count up 20 digits. Well, I think 27, but let me check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, correct. 27 printed digits. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudokus, in additional, it will be a 1 star. And for a 1 star puzzle, I need to be faster than 50 minutes. We'll see if this is really a 1 star. So let's get started. Alright. Let me see. We have here 5 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the numbers, the 9 and the 4. We have a 9 and a 4 in the second column, so no 9 and a 4 in these 3 boxes. The 9 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes in this big square. 9 and a 4, 9 and a 4, 9 and a 4. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here and a 4 goes there. Alright, then how about 4 4 8 8 6, need a 7, 5 5, need a 4 4 4. Publisher, you teasing me here? 1 1 7 7 7. Well. 4 in this row, 4 in the row below. So last row, only 3 places left for the 4 should be here, here, or there. You see here 4 in this column, no 4 there. Here 4 in the second column, so no 4 there. So the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4, 4, 4, 4. No 4s here. 4, 4. 4, 4, 4, 4. Okay. Cannot continue with the 4 now. Need to wait. 9 in the third column, 9 in the second column. So the first column, the only 3 places left for the 9 should be here, here, or there. We see here 9 in the third row, no 9 there. Here 9 in the second row, no 9 there. So the only place left for the 9 should be there. 9, 9, 9, 9, 9. 9, 9. 9, 9, 9. Cannot continue with the 9. Alright, next number. 8 in this first column, 8 in the second column. So the third column, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in the last row, so no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8, 8. Cannot continue with 8 now. 8, 8. How about 6? 5. No. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in the second row, so no 5 in these 3 boxes. Here 5 in the third column, no 5 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5 in this big square should be there. Okay. 5 in the third row, 5 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 1 box left in the first row for number 1. The 2 is missing. 2 in the first row, 2 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 2, 2, 2. Okay. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. One of the missing number in this big square is number 2. Yeah. Well, these 3 missing numbers in this big square are the numbers 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 2, 6, 7, 2, 6, 7, 2, 6, 7, 2, 6, 7. Okay, so we have a 2 in the third column, 2 in one of these 3 boxes in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in this row. No 2 there. 2 should be there. 2, 2. Okay. Cannot continue with the 2 now. How about these 2 missing numbers in the first column? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing and the 7 is missing. 6 and a 7, 6 and a 7. We have a 7 in this row. No 7 there. 7 should be here and a 6 goes there. So we have a 7 in the first row, 7 in the second row. So the third row, the only place left for the 7 goes there. 6 in the third row, 6 in the first row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. Well, we have a 6 in one of these 3 boxes in the second column. So no 6 there, 6 should be here. 2 missing numbers in this big square. What numbers? The 1 is missing, the 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those. Here also 1 and the 3 are missing in the third row. But we have a 1 in the last column, so no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 3 goes there. So 1 digit left now in this big square for number 3. Then 1 number left in the third column for number 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in the last row, so no 3 in these 2 boxes. Here 3 in the last column, no 3 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 in this big square should be there. 3, 3, okay. Cannot continue with the 3, but we have now 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Right, so we have a 5 in this row, 5 in the row below. So last row, only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in this column, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 1 box left in this big square for number, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4 is missing. 4, 4. Alright. Well. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5. The 6 is missing. The 7 and 8 and the 9 is missing. 6 and a 9, 6 and a 9. We have a 6 in this row. No 6 there. 6 should be here and a 9 goes there. Alright, so we have a 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column. So the column next, only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in this row, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 3 places left for the 9 should be here, here or there. We see a 9 in the last column, so no 9 there. Here 9 in the column next, so no 9 there. So the only place left for the 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 9. Alright. 2 missing numbers in this row for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have a 3 in the middle column. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And 8 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 1 and an 8, 1 and an 8, 1 and an 8. We have 8 in the middle column. No 8 there. 8 should be here. The 1 goes there. And we have a pair. The 3 and 8 in this column. The 3 and 8 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 3 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have an 8 in this row. No 8 there. 8 should be here. And the 3 goes there. So we have a 3 in this row. 3 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, the only 3 places left for the 3 should be here, here, or there. We see a 3 in the last column, so no 3 there. There are 3 in that column, so no 3 there. So the only place left for the 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 3. How about 8 in this row? 8 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 3 places left for the 8 should be here, here, or there. We see an 8 in this column, so no 8 there. Here an 8 in the column next, so no 8 there. So the only place left for the 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see digit number 3, number 8. Okay. 2 missing numbers in this column for numbers. The 1 is missing and the 2 is missing. 1 and a 2, 1 and a 2, 1 and a 2. We have a 1 in this row, last row. No 1 there, 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing and the 7 is missing. 6 and a 7, 6 and a 7. We have a 7 in this row. No 7 there, 7 should be here. And the 6 goes there. And 2 missing numbers in this column for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 1 and a 7, 1 and a 7. We have a 1 in this row. No 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Almost made a mistake. 7, yeah. Not the 6, but the 7. Alright, so we have a 1 in this row. 1 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. You see a 1 in the middle column, so no 1 there. 1 should be there. and all the ones are used. I can see. This is number 4, number 1. Okay. Then. 2 missing numbers in this column for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. We have a 5 in this row. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 2 goes there. So we have a 5 in this row. 5 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in this column. No 5 there. 5 should be there. Then, let me see. 2 missing numbers in the middle column for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. We have a 2 in this row. No 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6, 4 and the 6. We have a 4 in this row. No 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 1 box left in this row for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square. I believe the 2 and the 6. Yeah, 2 and the 6. The 7 is already filled in. 2 and a 6, 2 and a 6. We have a 2 in this row. No 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Final 2 numbers in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 6 and a 7, 6 and a 7. We have a 6 in this row. No 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Finish in 60 minutes. Wow. Not faster, but... Well. Maybe I'm talking too much in the beginning. Anyway... We solve it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the other regular Sudoku Heavy. See you then. Bye-bye for now.